When commercial property managers in South Florida need expert interior commercial demolition, they call Dynamic Removal Services. At the iconic Orange Bowl Committee headquarters in Miami Lakes, we began this commercial lobby strip out by removing custom wall plaques and sports memorabilia. Our crew prepared the double-height ceiling for high-reach fixture removal, while performing a complete office furniture removal and clearing out the executive conference suites. Moving through the main facility, we executed surgical commercial millwork demolition, safely dismantling heavy glass display cases, custom wood cabinetry, and architectural fixtures. To handle high-reach overhead demolition safely, we installed heavy-duty floor protection and erected specialized scaffolding to dismantle the massive suspended light fixtures. Operating at elevated heights, our commercial demolition contractors uninstalled high-wall wood paneling and column memorabilia displays, leaving undamaged, clean surfaces behind. From Miami Lakes commercial office strip-outs to high-ceiling interior demolition across Broward and Miami-Dade, Dynamic Removal Services delivers build-ready spaces. Contact us today for your next commercial or residential demolition project at 786-803-7944.